If Pool Payday disappeared from your home screen after an update, the app may still be installed and working normally. The first thing to check is your device's app list rather than reinstalling it. By the end, you'll know where to look on Android and iPhone, what to check if the app is actually missing, and what to do before reinstalling. On Android, open the app drawer and search for JP Pool Payday. If the app appears there, press and hold its icon and add it back to your home screen. The update may have removed the shortcut without uninstalling the app. If Pool Payday does not appear in the app drawer, open the Google Play Store and search for the app. If the store shows open, the app is installed. Tap Open, then check whether you can create a new home screen shortcut. If Google Play shows installing instead, the app is no longer installed on that device. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the login method you used for your Pool Payday account. On iPhone, swipe down from the middle of the home screen and search for AIJ Pool Payday. If it appears, tap it to launch the app. You can also swipe left through your home screens to reach the app library and search there. If Pool Payday is in the app library but not on your home screen, press and hold the icon and choose the option to add it to the home screen. This restores the shortcut without deleting the app's local installation. If the app cannot be found anywhere, open the App Store and search for Pool Payday. If you see open, the app is installed. If you see the download button, you'll need to reinstall it. There is one more check before reinstalling. Restart your phone and search for Pool Payday again. A temporary launcher or home screen problem can prevent an installed app from appearing correctly. If the app opens but your account information is missing after reinstalling, sign in using the same account credentials you previously used. Avoid creating a new account just because the app looks empty. So the key checks are simple. Search your app drawer or app library first, confirm the app status in Google Play or the App Store, and only reinstall after confirming that it is genuinely missing. Start by searching for Pool Payday on your phone right now. If this fixed the missing icon, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.